Yo, for a moment of wisdom na you need to na ya bishia yes and so aye in church ni biam na and there were Freemason ebinom misinterpret the word Freemason. Ebinom nya te Freemason pe no nya perception bi wo madwene mu say omo ye rituals, Illuminati, omo ye rituals, and omo no moja, and omo kunipa, and like in somebody any nyamafi and omo ka form ho entisa. And she mu kire say entisa. No, fa ho ense say wo join ade bi ansa na wo hu say de ete. There be ense say wo join ade bi na wo hu say de ete. No. Freemason. What is Freemason? A fraternity. A fraternity. I say a fekuo. A kuo. Be a ye dom. And see, remember example to say cool be and a fekuo be a ye dom no. A ma fekuo be to say women fellowship. I want sorry mo. Men fellowship. Young people's fellowship. Youth. And oba even ye maya ye timu kompoko ayo party bibria ni na yiku party say yiku NDC MPP CPP PPP PNC no nyina no ayeku aye join na ade ba ko amahu ni say utiku bi ana say eku bi ba na so mu bi o mapono ema obia buram obia bam a enche na ekuo no agu enche na ekuo no agu na Mason ebaaye no omo mbibie omo apono ano ama obi akeke sorry ana owuram if answer na obeba mu no kwa ye behwew ye ho background research ehu say wo no uyi obi a woni obi a ni amane woni abaya mane woni problem area na bro no a wotimu no nkrofo bu utumi hwe wo ho utumi hwe wo yire se wo mba utumi hwe wo mo utumi hwe wo busua yie because omo mpese ombefa wa bakuo ni no ababedane asodie asanso de amom what I say onye krono sembia wonni ewudie bia wo hu wondi ewu bia wo hu na eku a wobekom a wondi ewu na omo di ewu ana den na wo pa kire wo hu enti no omo hwe sa na manyina awie a na ya to so aba omo committee no mko hia obi omo de beba se obi pese omo be join na yen enti omo betum panyifa ba be yo sa background research na da bi no be yo interview be kire o still also be join foforo be se aba ebo kwa ogro kwa be afi mfie mienu kwa na yen je wontum to omo wi a na fo makotena o meeting no mato so aba enti dodo no epene se ye mfa wa ewo kuo ni mu a ansa na ye be fa no aba join the kuo no. Yeah, that is Freemason for you. And omo so no omo fa good people, good men to make them better in the society. You can say good men to make them better. Obeka say na good any better. It's so be na so no kese wom. You can say good a obi wo hono mo a owayemuye o scar obema obi. Bibi yeshana no kra obi yama o akwa we do a good person or a nice person but onye better. Better than say ye behwe wo sikasem mu ama wankasa watumi atototo bibia yi ama wo ahenhan wo ama bro no a wo mu no wo be gain more respect. People will see you and use you as an example, as a pillar to advise people. So they take you as a good person and makes you better. So if you are not a good person, they will not take you to make you good and become better. No, you are already a good person and makes you better. They throw lights onto the ignorant. So that I say, omo ye ahomaso no. Uba Freemason mu a wani beba ho so say no. Eni be bi wo ho no mo ense say wo ye. Ohu. E na unhu Mason ni bi o kwa gina baabi. Aye gbegbe. Unhu omo a, ade ba kwa mancrofo this room no say unhu omo a, life is different. Because no oya kwala kra young boy kra na so wo Mason mu kra. Ombe ye lower. Obey lower amount no aba do standard ne kwala kra di agro kra unhu agro di no mukropo kwa wo oyo panyin jira je kwa respect bebem obo mo oyo panyin but onye kwala ye di agro kwa say ana panyin e den no ye say o mbu no hu but unhu omo a respect comes in eno omo so no omo ni sika dru bi na bi ade bi afiska ma omo omo de ne say wo ye good na wo sika kakra na wo ye wo niema papa no ana omo beto so a kire wo niema bia ahinta. So that I say, hey, we are having a secret too, but it needs someone to direct you. You see, it needs someone to direct you. So they are in to direct people. So that I say, to direct you. Usika, hey, usika. That's the one who's so shy. Ubu him. A fact. Obu on ma owiska into onim nyansa. Obu on ma onim nyansa into oniska. And it's a whisker now we are masina. You bet you nyansa. Awusika no ho so woni munyansa na wo ye mesi na woni ska ye be kire wo mo nyansa ne adwen wo benye ska. So what I say and afei so no Freemason started from King Solomon temple time na King Solomon himpon King Solomon ewo ho no na oba besi na himfie no enkrofo no Mason fo no kofa o saa abre ni mu no omo ba besi dan no se Mason fo mpanyifo ne om laborers omu si dan no ho aya omu kushia na omu aye meeting omu ye meeting ya na like omu adwendwen hawa so omu kọ adwuma mu nda omu besi si dan no because obi oye na adwuma esi obi ate na adwuma mu brofo obi oye na adwuma bia no onim se de adwuma ne sitie. And it's a me osofo na me share me yonko sofo na edi nkomo about ye adwuma ma ye nim se de tie wa wo nyo osofo no obeti se ye kasa but wo hu ne ye kire aha enti omo ko hye ba bi no omo ye meeting all right but if be no bi apese onti asemko a omo ka but can we say to become successful in life is to know a secret that no one knows, to know something that no one knows. That is your secret. And that one too is your secret of success. So what I say, to know something that nobody knows is your secret, and that is your secret of success. And this is when you see and to home. And some question what some dream baby area, no more bar, no more see dino. They did not build a temple with cement. A bono. No mo shisha na de be ye dan eno kwa wa hodin posin cement no e fa be dum bi no na fa Solomon no ahemfo no omo dwen ho omo hu ne nti a enkrofo edi eboy esi dan bi sei enti no mo ye omo adwene se omo be bisa omo ekwan omo fa so a omo hwe Mason mathematics rules: addition, subtraction, division, minus, pi r square, cube. So what I say, miles, kilos. Mason enye ade huhuhu bia na omo ni symbol bia omo ka bia Masonics omo nyama nyina no they use law of nature, and law of nature too comes with mathematics. So okofa danfo bi na say ondi mboa wa minus no. So when you be na say onipa no so be dia boa wa brabo mu add no enye addition and subtraction. Yes, addition and subtraction. So I say, so hwe na wunya adamfo bi na ebia wunya adwen bi na otumi boawo but na maybe untumi mboawo you divide the person into two. So wo kwa hohihim ahokyire mu a wo nkoho openim dia na wakoho. You see addition, subtraction, mathematical instruments. And yeah, I didn't want to say, and a Freemason for could be, and now you won't say ya, and now you say ya. Forget about that. You see, I know the moment can they agimony. Forget about it. They teach you mathematical words. Who the ruler eto adie so? Who the ruler to paper so? Now was sign. Baby, I was a word to. Now the to now susu be do now sign. Who we now free osha paper na paper no emu ache pepe. And so see whisker. Is would nim how would do sikano ebe ya adie bia obenya so mfa so. You see, and omo ka so omo chirewa. You see, every Freemason who is having money will enjoy their money till they die. So that's it. They will enjoy their money till they die. And every Freemason who is not having money and has not make up their mind, say, will live poor till the person die. And also, you will Freemason for people who niska. And they are fact. And I may catch it all. You will Freemason for people who are niska. And you will be so honoma or whisker, and yes, or by joining Mason no benya scow. Or when sika kakra, but or buy no benya nim diano, and no use to the car. and obey a den, obinya a dreno, no nisika to me a den, a bet sanaye, a mano. And you know, you go back to King Solomon Temple, no. And your band, and I feel you imagine say, who say a knee bomb, they hide in a secret place, or a labor for no aquacoye jumano, non penny for no show, then they will draw the plan. That is the architectures now, more building, so they will bring the plan, then they will show them. So, oh, say, you be sick on a hanum, you're quite young for wing to her. Now, what jinaso. No waffle way no we do we ma fashe ha na yi ha. So they have already built the building in their mind. Into omo ba no mo bedu ho no mo a ne aka omo ne se omo ye den omo hyehye. That is all. The aka omo ne se omo hyehye. Then they will be fixing it. So Egyptian pyramid ya esi ho no mu nyina ni nyina ka ho bi. It was built by these masons. But because of say omo ko she baby no ma lock pon no omo kire omo ho ade no and people don't understand. But some come anya ni say no enka bi omo she baby obi omo ti hall bi obi egu ho and omo kire ade na enka ka say King Solomon Temple no ka udu ho a ebe ye unhu entumi nye unhu won so bi esi self contained na udu ho a enye unhu because mason for no omo isi no wo ho no bi aka say omo ba be ye plan no architect no ba no kita book ani ahoma ena omususu ena okasa ha no wo de we be yesi wo de we be yesi nti obi otwam bia nim se wo de we be yesi nti dan no kukuru si ho no mo a enye nwanwa. So that say but omo ahunhwe omo twa ho omo de nchensen etwa ho ahia anopa mo da sorry ya anopa ade chin ya mo be kwa kwhwe no na yakukuru dan de esi ho no mo ebe ye unhu say ei nkofo iba ne say no mo de dan si ne nkofo yo ma ya dio ihwe dan pa hwe say de esi tie hwe thank you hwe I can put you to use masons for any see all these castles we've been seeing, Elmina Castle, Cape Coast Castle, Osu Castle, and Oko Sa and Poano. These castles is one mina masons for the sea. Look at how the structure is, look at how the building is. So what I say. So they decided to use Sa Adrena Omodisi Dino to build a life. You see, using this instrument that they use, that mind they use to build the buildings, you know, to use it to build the life. So they took the body as a land. So now they will use their instrument to arrange the things on the land for it to become a structure, to become a building that people will call it home. So what did they make? A building that people will call it home. That is the reason for them to come out like, okay, we are masons. Fine. Everybody knows us, say you see dying. So now it will come like, we are no more building a fully physical scene, a building structure. I see as accessible. We are now coming to build the land with the body system, with our daily life. That is it. That is it. Intino and yes be a Freemason for a rituals and omo kasa ane de unya kwan kodwani ya wonya kwan kwa ya ma chance no akwa kodwani sisi ya obeka wanu atum evangelist adai wo ya ma kwan sisi ya akwa kodwani mason sisi ya 1 minute say opesa won join no akwa join aka obeka wanu atum. You see, so forget about saying no symbol be say no symbol be say no. Forget about it. It is far away from them. Their symbols that they use to guide your life is mathematical. Okay, fine. Hope I won't join any mason. Start and use instruments like mathematical instruments for your life and see addition and subtraction. So no be near papa or wako cutting off minus on fu abrabom. We na so be correct na we no dipa no onya wadan for fa won hyehye no na add the person to yourself and see say won chi no akobia no okobisa to boss no wachi me pertensi say omboa wa nti oboa wa which means say nipa no woni no mo ya Freemason. You see a small thought e wo ye ha, but I say ye nche dan endwin enko akire yi nti no ye hu. That is the way of black man. That is the way of black man. And a life. So what I say. And you know, let's start. Okay, let's be a Freemason in our daily life. Let's be Freemason in our daily life. Let's use mathematical instruments and see how our life is. You see, obi wo no or one pana for me, or be maybe or girls too. Baako bon nkomo. Baako nso ni maduane nua. You see, let's take that as an example. Baako ni meduane nua, baako ni meduane nua, ba baako no bɔ ne nkɔmɔ, ɔyɛ ne ɔpɛ. Baako so ɔno so ni meduane nua, ɔyɛ bibia nti no at the end of the day the two of them ni na ɔpɛ ɔmo. But you go for each one at the time of needed. A common dewa, only maybe I would do a nickel. That is a common dewa. You've divided them into two. A common dewa, you add the onimediano. Open comma. You minus the person and you add this one. You see, if the onimediano were one chaya, that's when you had a bar, a baby addition, then you subtract this one and you add this one. You bring this one, you see. I think before I'll be realizing, then you are on. Obu wonu mabu se na waware enso na otwempana enye bibia ntia o ebi na olake bibi wa hanom eno so beka se omo ye Freemason omo nye Freemason na ade na obi obema baako ma be se 10 egro no ho a wonka se o ye Freemason. You see, and the never be wo honom a yenyi mfi adwene mu na yenye free, just be natural. We are moment of wisdom. This is the time to wake up. Any black man, whenever whilst you are sleeping, you have to wake up. So what I say, watch my end down. I was so sorry. This is the time blacks we need to wake up from our mental slavery. You see, and see Damasi, a debesi ha na teachings no do na bekoso and subscribe. Na share videos no na mon like na microphone so the NT messages no na yeba and chebia ye be ready comments maybe as time goes on and see Damasi, ye de mo besi ha no mo.